Little by little, little by little, the window is open. It's morning too early, but I can't sleep anymore. Coffee on the table, and the sound of the falling rain. Little by little, washes away the past. It's a melody in silence, and silences at the same time. For my heart, rain, you remind me of it. And on May Day, wait a minute, I told you then I made huge mistakes, and I pushed you away from us. I was stupid without a mind when you wanted to leave. Do you still remember? I wonder, the rain came for the last time. You stayed for a moment. We danced as we liked. In the rain we found each other again. We smiled in the sound of the rain. We found the orchestra which guided us in the dance. Now it's raining, raining, little by little, little by little, little by little. Nostalgic in my thoughts with us. Little by little, I bring to my mind, remembering the last dance in the rain. The warm rain, you fell on our bodies. What we were dancing again. You, little by little, melody was the dance with her. I remember it nostalgically. Rain when I cry, no one can see the tears that flow on my cheek. Longing and longing are my feelings for you. Where are you now? Where is she? Rain, please, if you come here again, at least on the street, so I can see her. In your drop, so I can see her. Little by little, rain, please. Don't wash away our traces from the asphalt, please. Rain. And now, coffee and you. Little by little we exist and continue what we were destined to do. Little by little, little by little, I listen to the drops. They fall nostalgically, and I remember everything and everyone. Drops draw everywhere, memories with us. Rain, rain if you want.